Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to manage your Twitter followers or how to remove a follower. So let's get started. So if you want to manage your Twitter follower or if you want to remove one, what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your Twitter application or the X application. So what you can do is you can just simply install it in your device or you can access it through the Chrome browser. So just simply open up your Chrome browser. And after searching for Chrome, now you can just simply open up your browser and in search bar you can search for x.com or twitter.com. And after searching for that, you just have to log in into your account. And now what you can do is just simply tap on the profile which is on the left side of your screen. And after tapping on profile, now what you can do is just tap on followers. So here you'll find the followers option, just tap on it. And after tapping on that, just simply unfollow the followers that you want and then manage them. So here you will find your following followers. I don't have any. You might have some followers. What you can do is just simply unfollow them or just manage them from here. So that's it guys, this is how to manage your Twitter followers or how to remove your Twitter followers. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.